foods. First, I'm gonna make some sort of breakfast for everyone to eat and enjoy. You can comment down below in the video if you ever want to cook this for you personally, because I'd be more than happy to. First, we have waffles. So we'll just come here. Got the waffles. We'll just put them in here. Turn this all the way up. Put those in there. And while that's doing, we're just gonna pull some bacon. Pull the bacon, put it in the microwave. I'd say a minute's pretty good. That should be good. Cut it for now. Alright, we have about 7 seconds left of bacon. Waffles are still going. Who knows how this is going to turn out. Look at that. It literally looks, it's bubbling. That's not a good sign. We'll put it in there for 44 more seconds. Alright, and over here, the waffles. It's heating up over there. So I'm going to save it now. Alright, the bacon just got done. It looks really soggy still. 11 more seconds. And these waffles just got done. So we'll take those out here in a second and make the bacon is done. There we go. That's how we like it, nice and crispy. These waffles. Sit it down. 1, 2, 3, like that. There's that. Okay, next we have this toaster strudel. It has custom pink icing. So we'll just like, I don't know, put this in here for a little bit, and while we do that, I'm gonna get the cereal really quick.
Why is cereal in the dishwasher?
I don't know, that's where I store it. So we're gonna get this. Get our dish. Over here. Alright, take a seat. Alright. Oh no. The bacon's got fallen off, but it's alright. Come get me a bowl. Alright, he's getting me a bowl right now. And get me a water bottle too. I don't see why it's that hard. Ooh. Thank you. Got the bowl. Got a water bottle. Take the Fruity Pebbles. That should be enough, right? Yeah. Fruity Pebbles in the bowl. Take your water. Just like the milk, but it's water, so like everyone says this is a bad tactic, but it's really good. There we go. You can see them on the camera there. Huh. This is what we got so far. We're waiting for the toaster strudel to be done. But that's what we have right now. So we'll come back here in a second. Alright, the toaster strudel here, you can hear it boiling. It's sizzling right now. We'll wait for it to get done here really quick. Or I could just should I take it out?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, yeah. Oh. That's hot.
You good?
That hurts. Alright, we're getting this out of here.
Were you like...
You do it.
Ow. No.
Alright, I got this.
Okay.
It's embarrassing. I tried out more than it should be. Oh man. Alright, let's bring this over here. Alright. So we have our toaster strudel. Can you give me a knife? Oh, right there. Knife. Let's move this out of the way really quick. This is going to be satisfying. Cutting toaster strudel in half here. It smells great. Inside of it. Just leave that there for a second. Put this right there. Stack it on top. Finish off the sandwich with the waffle. Actually, I forgot one step. The pink frosting. Okay. Just gonna want to drizzle this on here. Oh god. Get on the bacon a little bit there. Alright, that should be good, right?
Yeah, probably.
Just put this back on top. Squish it together. Knife. Okay. Now I have to cut it all in half. Oh yeah. It's not working out well.
Probably something stronger than a butter knife.
This butter knife's doing it. Alright, cut in half. Here we'll put, which half do you want?
So half one.
This one. This one's yours. Actually, this one's yours.
Alright.
Yeah, just do that for you. Alright, I'll get out the way, and you're gonna have some of this too. I'll get you this fork here in a second.
A fork
Alright.
for cereal?
He's gonna try the creation, the ultimate breakfast meal. So, and he's gonna have some of the cereal and water. So,
What about you?
I might have some. Or just be. Go ahead.
Alright.
Alright. So what are you trying first?
Try the sandwich creation.
Here, give it a nice up close.
Just right there. Doesn't look that appetizing, but looks can be deceiving, so.
I actually took Gordon Ramsay one-on-one in a cooking competition one time. I lost, but I almost got him. The judge just said it was raw to mine, so it's alright. I know you love this.
Alright.
This will be the best thing you ever tasted.
It better be.
How is it?
It's not bad.
Not bad. That's what you like to hear.
It's decent. I won't prefer to eat this every day,
Come on,
but
take another bite.
I
Eat,
know-
eat it all.
I'm not gonna eat all of it.
Take another bite then. What's it taste like?
Burnt waffles.
They're not even burnt.
Um,
That's how everyone eats their waffles.
couldn't even taste any bacon, really. Then this custom pink strawberry stuff or whatever. It's not that good, not gonna lie.
Then you still have to have some cereal.
With a fork?
No, don't get away from that other bite. He likes it.
It's not bad.
Comment down below if you want some. Alright, I'll take this. I know he liked it. Some cereal.
That is the soggiest cereal I've ever seen.
Fruity Pebbles with water.
Why don't you try the cereal?
I'm not scared to have a taste my own dish.
Okay. I think you should have been scared. It's not good. Why don't you try your sandwich too?
That was really good. Just drink it.
I'm good. I eat the sandwich, you eat the
Like,
sandwich.
I don't need to have any more of this. I have it every day. I mean, it's really good. A taste of my own dish. It's my dream right here. We have toaster strudel, waffles, and bacon. I got most of the frosting, so it's always good, right? It's really good.
Out of 10, how do you rate your own dish? And be honest with it.
A 67. It's. See, I'll even have another bite. But the other side this time. Never mind.
You kind of look like you're about to throw up.
Bring him some water. I'm only having water because I'm thirsty, not because this is bad.
There's water right here in the cereal.
Mm-mm.
It's 2 water bottles in like a minute. Is it that bad?
That was really good.
I'm gonna rate it like 4 out of 10.
A 4 out of 10.
Yeah. It's the pink frosting that ruins it, to be honest.
It's the pink frosting ruins it.
That stuff does not taste good at all.
Overall, you want some?
No.
Overall, this was really good. He said it was good. I'm sure if someone watching this had it, they'd really enjoy it. So, yeah, that was it. That was my cooking for the best breakfast of all time. I had the waffle sandwich with a toaster strudel, pink frosting, bacon with waffle bread. I had the Fruity Pebbles and water, which was delicious. Nice and salty, that's how you like it.
That's not my preferred cereal type.
But then, so yeah, that's it. So if you ever want to taste for yourself, comment in the video. You will not be disappointed. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Someone say in the comments that you want to eat it. Make me feel good. Because Gordon Ramsay even said he likes this. So yeah.